Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips InTouch Go mobile phone. This is a retro style mobile phone. There's some information here. Over here you can see that the display on this particular phone is 1.7 inch TFT. There you can see 1.77 inch TFT. There is also a 1000 mAh battery, and this is a dual SIM phone. We will take a look at these features soon. Let's open this box and take a closer look. So there you go. Right on top there is the phone right here. I'm going to take it out. And what else do we have? We have a charger, and we also have a battery and a couple of documents. Let's take a look at each of these components. This is the phone right here. First of all, this is the micro USB charger for this phone. This is the micro USB charger for the Philips InTouch Go mobile phone. This is the 1000 mAh battery that we were speaking of earlier. Yeah, there you go. This is a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery. This is what goes inside this phone. But so the older phones, the retro style phones, some of the batteries are removable. So this is one of them. I will insert it in a while and show it to you. Over here we have some more stuff. These are the stickers. We can choose to ignore them. This is a quick start guide for the phone. You should read at least once. And this is a customer details / warranty registration for this particular phone. Now let's take a look at this phone itself. So as you can see, this is a retro style feature phone. You don't have a QWERTY or a smartphone keypad. You have numpads over here. And not just that, you will notice that the display screen is almost half the size of this entire phone. The display size for this one is 1.77 inch. It's a TFT display. And at the back we have some more features. There is a camera over here. This is this is a VGA camera, along with the speaker over here. The surface over here, there is a rough texture to the surface over here. Basically these phones come with a very durable design, and this is no different. I'm going to remove this flap. Oh, and there's a torch over here as well. That's a nice touch. I'm going to remove this flap and show you the inside, the interiors. So there you are. There are a lot of slots here. These are your two dual SIM slots, and this is your micro SD card slot. These two metallic points are going to be in contact with these metallic plates on the battery. So I'm going to insert the battery now, and now it's time to start this phone. Turn it on. Let's see. So turning it on is very simple. You see this call cancel button. So in the older phones, you had to long press the call cancel button to turn it on. So we're going to do just that. There you have display now, as you can see, and that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips InTouch Go mobile phone. Thank you for watching.